Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Amazon not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. You will see apps is here, so click on apps. Now here, so search Amazon app. So first of all, click on Amazon app. So after click on Amazon app, so Amazon app not working. So scroll down and click on storage. So click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache and click on clear data. So after the process, go back to home screen. So you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Amazon not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.